Now just finished off a quick tidy up. This is an autumn tidy up, and this is a client's house that I visit twice a year. Now I do not cut those foliums because the client did that. Obviously that's not a professional job. The fuchsia, cut back. Gracillinia hedge, cut back. Pittosporum, cut back. And just did a tidy up on the Hebe. And that's it there, you know, so that's it, quick tidy up, leaving the place spotless. Top the Gracillinia hedge, I put footage of that, stand on the top of that shed. Oh yeah, and I took a fall, but it wasn't fatal, obviously. I'm on the phone, on the camera here, just a bit of waste from picking up. And over here, just lock that gate, always lock the gate. Just put the bins back. And over here, I cleaned the cord line down, cut back the cotton nester, and tidied up then on the beds here. Just tidied up all the gravel and whatnot. So we're good to go, good to go. Autumn now is in full swing. Rain, wind and leaves. God, I wish I was on holidays. Oh, autumn cut done. And this is the compost bin, so it's getting pretty full. Leaves and grass and leaves are down, and but look, the hedges are holding, and the Acer in the very corner, zoom in on that there now, the Acer is going a lovely bright red colour now, and this is when I find that Acers are the most attractive this time of the year, just before their leaves fall. They go all these exotic bright red orangey colours, you know, they're really cool. And again, the hedges here now are holding mad, so good news, it's all under control. So over and out. So there we go, the rain again. Leaves down everywhere. So we'll get on with this one. Autumn cut, not looking too bad, and the ground is wet going. Very wet actually, just rained there, so we're doing okay, we're doing okay. to one of my regulars again. Look, what a view. Now, I must say, it rained all night last night, and it actually rained up to an hour ago. And I got the grass cut here. And I took up a box of grass here with the Kohler engine on the Weibang, the 173cc, and she is a mighty horse, and I fully, highly recommend it. So again, look, it's not a bad old cut. This is will be the second last cut, maybe the third last cut of the season. So we're nearly there, guys, and we're not looking too bad.